everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is this air fried crispy crunchy and perfect chickpea. Yes, we can make instant snackable recipe in our air fryer, and today I'm going to make it with chickpea. So here I have cooked chickpeas. I'm going to take 1 cup of chickpeas in a bowl. Rest I'm going to make the chickpea curry that we're going to enjoy with rice. So one thing I would like to mention about this snack is that it is good to enjoy as soon as it's air fried. It will remain crispy and crunchy, and after some time it tends to get soggier, or else make in small batches like this. In a bowl I have taken 1 cup of cooked chickpea, added salt per taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is basically for nice red color. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon chicken masala here. Chicken masala gives a nice flavor to the chickpea, which is going to be nice, perfect, crispy, crunchy. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon olive oil. That's it. Give it a good mix, and it's all set to be air fried. This is nicely cooked. I cooked this in pressure cooker, and it's very mashable. You touch it and it's smashed, and it's perfect to make curry also. So I'm going to make 2 recipe out of from the cooked chickpeas. Now set the air fryer at 395 Fahrenheit and set it at 15 minutes. Open the basket in between and shake it once. So this is the chickpea that I've taken, and you can see the after result after it has been air fried. So look how perfectly crispy. Look how crispy they are, and we can enjoy it as soon as it's done, or we can store it in an airtight glass container and enjoy until it remains crispy. I'll be sharing more recipes in this channel. Please click on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so whenever there's a new video upload, you will get the notification for it. See you soon with new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.